Yeah, I'm doing some crack identification. European lark. There's trees and ferns out here. That's it. Come with me, ain't no shortcut. Apple tree nearby. Oh, this tree here? I think it's an apple tree. I don't know if these are apples. I don't know what type of tree this is. Big bulging fruity bodies. Oh yeah, look at those fruiting bodies. What is an apple tree called? Hey, mushrooms. Wild grape, see? It's everywhere. Fucking illegals. Oh, good. Smoke grenade. We could get a fire going. Dead tree, lots of good firewood. And we're surrounded by pine. Even though this is a juvenile tree, silver maple. Pretty sure this is goldenrod if you want to make some tea. Nom 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 nom. Put up some walls and you got yourself a nice place. A snail. My character is an out-of-shape white guy who's about to hit 30 and balding with baby dick and bad teeth, who can't seem to remember what type of pine he's looking at. That's my character. Fuck you, nature. Ah! Live, laugh, love. Take memories. Leave only footprints. In an ongoing news, we're dealing with the recent tensions between purple loosestrife and red osier dogwood. As you can see, authorities have erected a barricade preventing cross-contamination because definitely seeds don't cross-contaminate through fences. Anyway, red osier dogwood, can't tell you anything about it. Purple loosestrife, I can't tell you anything about it other than it thinks it's better than all the other plants, and it's slutty, cock of the walk, walking around being like, oh, look at me, I'm purple and pretty. Fuck you. I think this is tamarack. Oh my god, there's so many fucking trees. Spread across the entire book. Tamarack. Looks just like it, except the cones. I guess we'll go to 280. Oh, I fucking lost it. I'm trying to read the book, and my glasses keep fogging up, so that's super helpful. Bark. Gray or brown? Oh, never mind, this is just South Quebec. We're looking for tamarack right now. Except this book is in fucking French. Bugs out of my face. Fucking finally, tamarack. Stupid cock. American larch, or hackmatack, eastern larch, and Alaska larch. Larix, Larcinia, Larcania, Larix, years of study, and I can't identify fucking tamarack tree. But I can't identify these fucking cones. You got the little bundles right here. You've got the cones. I can't figure out what like fucking type of pine tree this is. It smells all moldy and mushroomy. I like this one because it's soft. And it gives these cute little creatures shelter from the storms. Ow. Was it worth it? Wild grape. Delete that. Turn that off. Got your weed bags so people can smoke a loud bowl. Got the ganja. 420 bling. You get your red oak right here. Bitches love trees. I'm not gonna do something cool. didn't stagnate, just mediocrity in every respect. Kind of attractive, but not as attractive as I used to be, not as attractive as I could be. Fit, but still out of shape. Not a big dick, not a small dick. I'm talented, but not an expert in anything. I've got a lot of knowledge, but I'm not intelligent. I'm capable, but I forget a lot of things. What a fucking waste. Maybe I'll get unlucky and I'll get a disease, like a terminal disease. And then I could be one of those assholes you would read about in some sort of science action story where I train for like the 6 months I have left just to take out top politicians or an evil sex ring from like the Catholic Church. I've got big dreams, man, but they all involve trauma that I haven't experienced. You want to go for McDonald's?